Good morning, Minnesota. Today we got Ted. Ted, can you wave hi? Say hi. Say hi to the vlog. Say hi to the people that want to meet you. They want to know who you are. What? He's not going to tell you anything. We got Dane. We're going to go hit up Taylor's Falls. Let's do it. All right, experiencing nature. This is dope. Hey Ted, what's crack-a-lacking right now? What are we doing? What's the dealio?
Got my camera, chilling out. It's pretty great.
It's pretty great. Okay.
It's pretty cool. Yeah.
Is it?
It's chill.
Dane, what are you doing?
I don't know. Freaking love nature.
Dane loves nature, guys.
Nature, guys.
Look at that. Ted,
Yeah.
is this nature?
That's nature.
Nature. This is nature. It's all nature. More nature. Hey, Ted. Is this nature?
Sure.
Oh, God. Hey, guys, guess what? Pretty sure it's still nature. It's nature, my dudes. Oh shoot!
Oh.
It's slipping. Oh my god! Done a lot of hiking so far. We found this one really cool spot. You gonna hit it, Dane?
Oh yeah.
Send it, dude. Don't send it. You die. Hey y'all, so it's Black Friday right now. So instead of like shopping and conforming to consumerism, because I've worked retail for like way too long, and that's all I did on Black Friday is help people spend money. But I think it's really cool to like take time and utilize the Free State Parks on Black Friday. So get outside, have fun. What's the REI thing, Ted?
Hashtag opt outside. Yo.
Opt outside, guys. How we doing, boys?
Good.
Doing all right? We headed off to a new spot?
No.
Yes, we are.
No, I'm
Headed off to a new spot.
It's really cool. We had like a low light.
All right, what you can't see now is that there's a train out there going over a bridge. We're gonna try to get some pictures, baby. Let's go. Turns out it got really dark, so we couldn't record too much. We got some really got some really sick shots, didn't we, guys?
Yep.
Sure. Did we not?
Camera
Ted?
too.
Hey, can you come? Hey,
I exist.
Dane.
What's up?
All right, guys. It's another fun day in Minnesota. I'll talk to you later. Throw it down. All right, here we go. Whoa!